Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we delve into the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions about your purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning technology with the LG CordZero all-in-one auto-empty cordless stick vacuum. Let's kick things off with design and features. This vacuum doesn't just clean, it's a whole cleaning system. The standout feature?
The docking station.
When you dock the vacuum, it automatically empties its dust into a separate bag, ensuring you start each cleaning session with an empty bin.
Plus, it charges both the vacuum and an extra battery simultaneously. No more interruptions due to battery life.
The LG CordZero comes with an array of attachments, including a power mini nozzle, crevice tool, combination tool, and mop head.
These cover all your cleaning needs, from floors to upholstery.
And the best part? They're all conveniently stored on the docking station, so you'll never lose track of them.
Now, let's talk performance. With 3 power modes, standard, power, and turbo, this vacuum tackles dirt and debris with ease.
In our tests, it excelled at picking up everything from rice grains to flour, leaving surfaces sparkling clean.
And don't worry about noise. It's relatively quiet, even in turbo mode.
Battery life is impressive, especially with the included spare battery.
You'll get around 2 hours of cleaning time, perfect for larger homes.
And maintenance is a breeze. While you can't remove the bin for cleaning, the filters are washable, keeping your vacuum running smoothly. In conclusion, the LG CordZero all-in-one auto-empty cordless stick vacuum is a powerful cleaning solution packed with convenient features.
While it may come with a hefty price tag, its performance and versatility make it worth the investment. If you're looking for a hassle-free cleaning experience, look no further. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.
Until next time, happy cleaning!